Walk into any Toyota dealership in Japan, and you'll notice something strange. The service advisors don't just recommend maintenance. They follow a completely different schedule than what's printed in your American owner's manual. I discovered this firsthand when I visited a Toyota factory in Aichi Prefecture back in 2019. The Japanese engineers were shocked when I told them how Americans maintain their Toyotas. "That interval is too long," one engineer told me. "We would never wait that long here in Japan." That conversation changed everything I thought I knew about Toyota and Lexus maintenance. The truth is, there's a hidden maintenance philosophy used in Japan that keeps their Toyotas running well past 500,000 miles. It's not complicated, it's not expensive, but American dealerships don't want you to know about it because it means fewer major repairs and less profit for them. I've been working on Toyotas and Lexus vehicles for 17 years, and after learning these Japanese maintenance secrets, I've seen cars that should have died at 200,000 miles still running strong at 450,000. In this video, I'm revealing the exact Japanese maintenance approach that keeps Toyotas and Lexus vehicles running forever. Stick around, because what you learn here could add decades to your car's life. The philosophy behind Japanese maintenance. Before we dive into specific intervals, you need to understand the Japanese maintenance philosophy. It's completely different from the American approach. In America, we maintain cars based on convenience. Oil changes every 10,000 miles because it fits our busy schedules. Transmission fluid labeled lifetime because we don't want to think about it. We push everything to the limit. In Japan, they maintain cars based on preservation. The goal isn't just to keep the car running, it's to keep every component in near-perfect condition for as long as possible. Japanese owners treat maintenance like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until your teeth hurt. You prevent problems before they start. This philosophy shows up in everything: shorter intervals, higher quality fluids, more frequent inspections, and it works. The average Toyota in Japan lasts significantly longer than the same model in America, even though they're the exact same car. Here's what Japanese Toyota owners do differently, and why it matters for your Lexus ES, Toyota Camry, 4Runner, or any model you're driving. Number 1. The 5,000-mile oil change rule. Japanese Toyota owners never, and I mean never, go beyond 5,000 miles between oil changes. Even on the newest models with synthetic oil and extended intervals, they stick to 5,000 miles religiously. Why? Because they understand something most American drivers don't. Oil doesn't just lubricate, it cools, cleans, and protects. After 5,000 miles, even the best synthetic oil starts breaking down. The additives that prevent sludge and deposits begin to weaken. Metal particles suspended in the oil start to accumulate. I've torn apart engines that followed Toyota's American 10,000-mile interval. At 80,000 miles, they had noticeable sludge buildup on the valve train. But engines maintained on the Japanese 5,000-mile schedule, even at 200,000 miles, they look nearly new inside. Here's the exact approach Japanese owners use. Change oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Always use full synthetic oil that meets Toyota's specifications. For most models, that's 0W20 or 5W30. Replace the oil filter every single time. Never reuse it. For turbocharged engines like the Lexus NX or Toyota Camry with the 2.0T, they drop that interval to 4,000 miles. Turbos generate extreme heat, and oil breaks down faster. The cost difference is minimal. You're doing 2 oil changes per year instead of 1. That's an extra $50 annually. But it prevents $6,000 engine rebuilds and extends engine life by 100,000 miles or more. Here's what one Japanese mechanic told me. Oil is cheap, engines are expensive. Why would you gamble? Number 2. The first 1,000-mile break-in secret. This one surprises most people, but it's critical. Japanese Toyota owners treat the first 1,000 miles like the most important miles the car will ever see. During break-in, the piston rings are seating against the cylinder walls. The transmission gears are meshing for the first time. Everything is wearing into its final shape. How you drive during this period determines how well your car runs for the next 500,000 miles. Here's the Japanese break-in method. Keep RPMs below 4,000 for the first 1,000 miles. No hard acceleration. No sustained highway speeds above 65 miles per hour. Vary your speed constantly. Don't use cruise control. The engine needs different loads to seat the rings properly. Avoid short trips under 10 minutes. The engine needs to reach full operating temperature to burn off moisture and contaminants. Change the oil at 1,000 miles, even though the manual says 10,000. This first oil change removes metal particles from the break-in process. I've seen Lexus LS owners who followed this break-in approach hit 400,000 miles without burning a drop of oil. And I've seen identical models that skipped the break-in and started burning oil at 120,000 miles. The difference? Those first 1,000 miles set the foundation for everything that follows. Number 3. Transmission fluid at 30,000 miles. Here's where Japanese maintenance diverges most dramatically from American recommendations. In the US, Toyota labels transmission fluid as lifetime. In Japan, they laugh at that idea. Japanese Toyota owners change transmission fluid every 30,000 miles without exception. For Lexus vehicles with the 8-speed or 10-speed automatics, same thing, 30,000 miles. Why such a conservative interval? Because they've seen what happens when you wait. Transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate gears. It operates under extreme pressure to engage clutches and control shift timing. As it ages, the fluid loses viscosity, collects metal particles, and stops protecting the transmission. Here's the Japanese method. Drain and fill every 30,000 miles. Not a flush, just a simple drain and fill. Use only genuine Toyota or Lexus transmission fluid. For most models, that's WS fluid. Never use universal ATF. After refilling, drive for 10 minutes and recheck the level. Top off if needed. This approach costs about $150 every 30,000 miles, but it prevents $5,000 transmission replacements. I've seen Lexus RX transmissions with 350,000 miles that still shift like new because the owner followed the 30,000-mile rule. American dealerships don't recommend this because they make more money replacing transmissions than maintaining them. Don't fall for it. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 4. Coolant replacement at 30,000 miles. Most American Toyota owners wait until 100,000 miles to change coolant. Some never change it at all. Japanese owners? They change it at 30,000 miles, then every 50,000 miles after that. Here's why this matters. Toyota's pink super long life coolant is excellent, but it's not magic. After 30,000 miles, especially in hot climates, the coolant starts to lose its protective additives. It becomes slightly acidic, which attacks rubber hoses, gaskets, and aluminum components. The first victims are usually the water pump seals and thermostat housing. But if you wait long enough, the coolant will eat through the radiator, heater core, and even the head gasket. Japanese owners prevent all of this with early coolant changes. First change at 30,000 miles to remove any factory residue and break-in contaminants. After that, every 50,000 miles like clockwork. Always use genuine Toyota super long life coolant. Mix it 50-50 with distilled water. Never tap water. Bleed the system properly after refilling to remove air pockets. For Lexus hybrids like the ES300H or RX450H, they also change the inverter coolant on the same schedule. This separate cooling system protects the hybrid components and costs another $100 to service. I've inspected 300,000-mile Lexus engines where the cooling system looked factory fresh inside. The secret? Following the Japanese 30,000-mile first change, then 50,000-mile intervals after that. Number 5. Spark plugs, earlier than you think. Toyota's American maintenance schedule calls for spark plugs at 120,000 miles. Japanese owners replace them at 60,000 miles, sometimes sooner. Why the huge difference? Because spark plugs don't just fire the fuel mixture. They also affect combustion efficiency, emissions, and even transmission shift quality through the engine's power delivery. Worn spark plugs make the engine work harder. That stresses the ignition coils, catalytic converter, and oxygen sensors. By the time you hit 120,000 miles on old plugs, you've already caused damage to other components. Here's the Japanese spark plug strategy. Replace iridium or platinum plugs at 60,000 miles, regardless of what the manual says. For V6 engines like the Lexus ES350 or Toyota Camry V6, inspect plugs at 50,000 miles. If the electrode is worn more than 1 millimeter, replace them. Always use OEM Toyota or Denso plugs with the exact part number. Don't experiment with aftermarket alternatives. Apply anti-seize to the threads and dielectric grease to the boots. One thing Japanese mechanics taught me: if you wait until 120,000 miles, the old plugs can seize in the aluminum cylinder head. I've had to drill out seized plugs that turned a $200 job into a $1,200 nightmare. Replace them early and they come out easily every time. Number 6. The 50,000-mile differential service. If you drive a Lexus GX, Toyota 4Runner, Tacoma, or any AWD model, this is critical. Japanese owners service the differential and transfer case every 50,000 miles without fail. Most Americans never touch these components. The fluid turns black, collects metal shavings, and eventually the gears start wearing down. By the time you hear noise, the damage is done. Japanese maintenance prevents this. First differential service at 30,000 miles. This removes break-in metal particles. After that, every 50,000 miles. Use genuine Toyota gear oil that meets the correct GL rating. For most models, that's 75 to 85 or 75 to 90. Always replace the drain plug gasket. It's $2 and prevents leaks. For Lexus GX and Land Cruiser owners, there are 3 differential services: front, rear, and transfer case. All 3 need servicing on the same schedule. This maintenance costs about $200 every 50,000 miles, but it prevents $3,000 differential replacements. I've seen 4Runners with 400,000 miles on the original differentials because the owner followed this Japanese approach. Number 7. Brake fluid. Every 2 years. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. Over time, that moisture lowers the fluid's boiling point and causes internal corrosion of brake lines, calipers, and ABS components. American Toyota owners often ignore brake fluid until something fails. Japanese owners replace it every 2 years, no matter the mileage. Here's their approach. Replace brake fluid every 24 months, even if you've only driven 10,000 miles. Use DOT3 or DOT4 fluid that meets Toyota specifications. Bleed the system starting from the wheel farthest from the master cylinder. Always test the pedal feel after bleeding. It should be firm, never spongy. For Lexus models with advanced braking systems, this is even more important. The ABS modules and brake actuators are expensive to replace, and old brake fluid is the #1 cause of failure. Fresh brake fluid costs $30 and 30 minutes of work. A new ABS module? That's $2,000 you'll never get back. Number 8. Annual inspections beyond the basics. Japanese car culture emphasizes the annual inspection, called Shaken. It's mandatory in Japan, but even without the legal requirement, Japanese Toyota owners inspect their cars thoroughly every year. Here's what they check: all fluid levels and condition, tire tread depth and wear patterns, suspension bushings and ball joints for wear, brake pad thickness and rotor condition, exhaust system for leaks or rust, battery voltage and terminal condition, all belts for cracks or glazing. This comprehensive inspection catches small problems before they become expensive failures. A $15 worn bushing gets replaced before it destroys a $400 control arm. A small exhaust leak gets welded before it cracks the manifold. I recommend every Toyota and Lexus owner do this annual inspection themselves or pay a trusted mechanic $100 to do it. It's the best insurance you can buy. Number 9. Premium fuel for certain engines. This one surprises people, but Japanese Lexus owners always use premium fuel in engines designed for it, even when the manual says regular recommended, premium for best performance. Engines like the Lexus ES350's 3.5-liter V6, the IS350, or the GX460's V8 all benefit from premium fuel. Yes, they'll run on regular, but over 200,000 miles, the carbon buildup from regular fuel damages valves and pistons. Japanese owners know this, so they use premium exclusively on these engines. Any turbocharged Toyota or Lexus, all V6 and V8 Lexus engines except the ES250's 4-cylinder, direct injection engines prone to carbon buildup. The extra cost is about $300 per year, but it prevents $1,500 carbon cleaning services and extends engine life significantly. Number 10. Keep it stock. Here's the final Japanese secret that Americans ignore. Keep your Toyota or Lexus completely stock. No aftermarket modifications, no performance chips, no oversized wheels. Toyota engineers spent millions of dollars designing every component to work together perfectly. When you modify one thing, you throw off that balance. Japanese owners understand this. They keep factory wheels, factory suspension, factory exhaust, everything exactly as Toyota intended. The result? Cars that run for 500,000 miles without major issues. Meanwhile, modified Toyotas start having problems at 150,000 miles because the oversized wheels stressed the wheel bearings, or the lowered suspension wore out the CV axles. Keep it stock, and your Toyota will outlast anything else on the road. The Japanese maintenance mindset. Here's what all of this comes down to. Japanese Toyota owners view maintenance as an investment, not an expense. They spend $500 a year on preventive maintenance to avoid spending $5,000 on repairs. They don't wait for problems. They don't push intervals. They don't cut corners with cheap parts. And their cars reward them with 500,000 miles of reliable service. You can do the same thing. Follow these Japanese maintenance principles, and your Toyota or Lexus will outlast your expectations by decades. It's not complicated. It's not expensive. It just requires discipline and consistency. The choice is yours. Maintain it like the Japanese do, or repair it like Americans have to. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as I'm sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.